Hi and welcome to Lesson 4 of Store Catalog PDF download for WooCommerce, using the shortcode for custom placement. You will learn how to use the shortcode to add a downloadable product catalog button anywhere on your WooCommerce website. You can add the shortcode to a page, post, or anywhere else on your website. If you want to add a shortcode to a page, you can create a new page or add it to an existing one. Now go to the editor of the page. Here, you can add the shortcode widget. Just drag it here and use this shortcode for the catalog. When you add the shortcode, the catalog button will appear like this. If you want to customize the button text using the link label attribute, that provides perfect branding for promotional language. You can use this shortcode for the button text. From here, you can add your own text. After doing this, you can click on Publish. Now, we are on the front end of the page where we have added the shortcode. Here you can see the button will appear like this. This button only works if you have uploaded a PDF in the settings first. Make sure your custom catalog is set there. When you click on this button, the catalog will be downloaded as a PDF, which you have added in the settings. That is how you can use the shortcode with just a few lines. You can offer your customers an easy way to download your full product catalog from anywhere on your website. Well, that wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.